Hello and welcome to Order Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a basket salad tongs. I would highly recommend that you know how to do a first move salad tongs because it's more natural and easier to do from a first move. So I'll put that in the link to that in the description below. I'll also put a link to the basket just in case you've somehow never done a basket. So if you need to go back and look at them, it's easy for you to find them. But the move today looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So you might be thinking, why is it called salad tongs? And the answer is the guy does a block with the right hand and then a block with the left hand. The positioning for the arms is the right is curled up underneath, the left is curled over and down, and this looks a little bit like the traditional salad tongs for serving salad, which is why somebody named it that a long time ago. So let's break it down. So we go back to two hands, starts like a standard basket. We go wrap, we twist out, we bring the lady round the corner. This is where it changes. Now, in a first move, you're sliding from a shoulder to pick up the top of the lady's arm. This is trickier because we're sliding from a hand to pick up the top of the lady's arm. So what we're doing is we're turning the lady. This right hand has to go up the lady's arm and hook underneath. And I'm hooking, I'm not gripping. So I'm literally just making a curved barrier that the lady's arm presses into. And of course, ladies, you need to keep your tone and actually push against that arm. We come over the top at that point with the left arm, and again, we make a hook. So it kind of almost just a curve. You're not using your thumb in any way. So as the lady comes back, we block the back of the arm. Okay, you could do multiple, so you could bounce multiple times, but one bounce is usually enough unless there's something really good in the music that you're trying to hit. And then it's just spin and catch, return and back. So let's do that again from the other side to give the other view, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, wrap 2, twist out 3, round the corner 4, we go block 5 and spin 6, catch 7, return 8 and back 1. So let's try it. Here we go all together. 5, 6, basket salad tongs. We go a back, wrap, twist, twist, block, block, go, catch, return and back. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you find it to be good out on the dance floor. Good fun. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. The music recommendation on the end comes up in the windows in the last few seconds. So you've got something nice to practice it to. So it's just a link to a music video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.